Alright, let's cut straight to it. Nano Banana is not just some random meme tool. It's one of the most underrated creative AIs out right now. Most people think it's a gimmick until they see what it can really do. In this tutorial, I'll showing you exactly how to unlock Nano Banana's full potential, from setup to hidden features to how you can actually use it to design, storytelling, and even monetization. If you stay until the end, I'll give you some pro workflow tips that saves hours of trial and error. So first things first, come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. Sign in with any of your email and voila, you're in. Set your preference style and simply click this here and simply click on create images. Here's what makes Nano Banana AI different from generic AI tools. Banana to anything conversion. Simply input a banana sketch or text prompts and it can generate simply. I'll just give a very simple example. I have given a very simple prompt like create a luxury brand logo with this. You have to be detailed to get the best result possible. But on this one, I won't say it's good, but it's not trash either. Characters, even you can generate it with some cinematic visuals. And also, it remembers your last three prompts to keep the style consistent. Simply after you love the click on the download full page and you're ready to use. Now let's talk about the power moves. Here's how you can unlock the full potential of this. If you only type banana logo, you will get these simple, basic, boring stock images instead of eye-catching logos. You'll have to type a futuristic banana spaceship landing on Mars, cinematic lighting, and ultra detailed. Let's see what it can make right now. As you can see, here's what I call the perfect image. And let's try another cinematic prompt. And your prompt doesn't have to be three paragraph long. It just have to be the perfect the way you need. And I meant you need I meant by you need doesn't mean you'll have to type a banana and that's how you need. No, we have to be a little bit specific. Like as you can see, banana samurai in ukayo e style, dramatic ink textures. And here's what I got. We'll have to be specific if you want great results. So as you can see, this one was also very simple prompt. Banana shaped stadium filled with neon lights. Read from yellow. Ultra realist. Simple. See the difference? It's about using art direction language. Camera angles, lightings, artistic styles, not just keywords. Let's build the editing space. Editing and creative tech for over a couple of years. Tools come and go, but Nano Banana is the proof. It proved that the fun tools are also the future tools. If you see it as a joke, you will miss the creative business side of it. But if you experiment with it, push the prompts and integrate it into your workflow, you'll be ahead of the crowd. Cool. So hit that like button if this gave you ideas. Subscribe if you want more deep dives AI into AI tools like this. Cause don't waste your time with fluff. See what exactly works. Drop wildest Nano Banana prompt idea in the comments. I might bring it to life in the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.